These EZMVZKU 26mm Easyfit straps are purpose-built for larger Garmin multisport watches, covering a wide range of Fenix, Enduro, Tactix, Descent, D2, Quatix, and Epix Pro models that use the 26mm quick-release system. The band uses a soft, skin-friendly silicone that stays comfortable during long workouts while also resisting sweat, water, and general wear and tear. Thoughtful keepers secure any excess strap so it does not flap around, which is especially helpful during running, cycling, or strength training sessions. The length range accommodates a broad spectrum of wrist sizes, making it easy to get a snug, stable fit without feeling constrictive. Installation and removal are genuinely quick, thanks to the precisely molded Easyfit connectors that snap cleanly into Garmin's 26mm quickfit mounts. Overall, this strap feels like a practical upgrade over many stock bands, offering better comfort, secure fit, and versatility for both daily wear and demanding outdoor activities.